Alright guys, welcome back to another video. I appreciate everybody watching this. On today's episode, we got a couple service calls and a couple things I got to get done. So the first thing I'm doing is installing an exhaust motor. As you guys can see right here, this is it right here. I guess it was shorted to ground, so I got everything I need. Dun, 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 dun. Check out the new 12 volt that I got. I got this one with another not an impact but a drill, and they're both 12 volts. So, and it was only like 140 bucks for both of them with 2 batteries. Oh, and if you buy this, you get an extra battery for free. So I decided to get this one. And here's the motor. It's a pretty light motor, so it shouldn't be that bad. And that's basically it. So just a quick update on the Yeti bucket. I mean, it's been holding pretty good. As you guys can see, there has a bunch of scratches already, but yeah, I mean, I'm really liking this thing so far. So like I said, guys, thank you guys for all the support, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Also guys, I've been getting a lot of questions about my gloves. I did make a review on it on my second channel if you guys want to go ahead and check it out. But yeah, I absolutely love this glove right here, and they're pretty heavy duty. So that explains it. It's all right there. Damn. Alright guys, so I had to go downstairs, shut it off from the main breaker, and then come back up here and then rewire from here. That way I just do it safely. So right now I'm gonna go ahead and put this motor back in. Make sure I put the pulley back in at the right place, and we should be good. I didn't want to show the electrical, guys, because I don't want to show homeowners or restaurant owners or anything like that how to wire it. I mean, even though it's super simple for us, but I just, you know what I mean, I don't know how to, I don't like doing that. So I'm gonna go ahead and just put this motor back in, and we should be good. Also guys, I already verified that I'm not getting no voltage to the motor right now, so just in case. You guys know what I've been wanting to invest in is one of those lasers that you put on the pulleys to make sure they're 100%. I haven't bought one because they're like $1,000 bucks. Well, that's probably something I really want to get because I do a lot of I do all HVAC, so I know for sure I'm gonna be installing a bunch of blower motors and exhaust motors, so I'll probably look into something like that in the near future. So I'm gonna go ahead and do I'm gonna go ahead and put this right here so I can prevent from this happening again. That way it's firm, nothing's moving, nothing's vibrating. So guys, I know I'm gonna get a bunch of comments saying how come I didn't use a ruler to make sure it was straight. When it's an exhaust this small, you can eyeball it pretty good. So that's why I didn't really care about it. But I mean, as you guys can tell, it's looking real good. So let's go ahead and get the belt. So this thing's pretty loose. I'm gonna go ahead and tighten it up a little bit more. Loosen up the screws right here and make sure it's a little more tighter. I mean, I should have brought a new belt, but I wasn't on the notes. Oh well. Alright guys, we are looking a lot better now. We should be able to turn it back on. Damn. You're looking good. Kobe. Remember guys, always pick up after yourself. The last thing you want is a manager or store manager to come up here and see your mess. I'm gonna go ahead and let it run for a little bit longer. I'm gonna go ahead and check the ammeter on it, and we should be good. So now let's go ahead and I really hate this. It sucks because I'm 6'7", guys, and this thing's annoying. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and let it run, check amperage on it, make sure it's all good, and then we should be Gucci. So now let's go ahead and head over to the next service call and see what we find. All right guys, so second service call. We got the issue that the smoke detector is being tripped and the fire alarm is getting notifications about it. So what I'm doing here today is figuring out if it's our issue or if it's the fire alarm issue. I'm gonna go ahead and check that smoke detector, make sure the green light is on, and go from there. Also guys, check out this water jug that I got. It also has my logo and it's engraved. It's not a sticker, it's engraved. Pretty dope. Because now that I do commercial HVAC only, having one of this is gonna be a fucking lifesaver. So I think this is unit number 6, number 7. Oh, number 6 is over there. Also guys, I've been getting a lot of questions about my my backpack slash MB2. I have a video dedicated to the setup that I made in my second channel, HVACR Vlogger Reviews. So if you guys want to check it out. Alright guys, let's verify that green light is on. Okay, yep, it's not tripped. So most likely it's gonna be a the fire department area, so it ain't gonna be us. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do, let me go ahead and shut it off. Let's lock out, tag out the system. We got 0 volts, 0 volts, 0 volts. So let's go ahead and check it at ground. Nothing. Ground. Nothing. Ground. Nothing. Alright, so now we can properly look at the system. Damn, damn, damn. Alright guys, so now that I know the green, we have a green light on it, what I'm gonna go ahead and do is just give it a check the belt, see if it's tight enough, it's looking good. Because a lot of times if belts are really loose, guys, those smoke detectors will get triggered. So we're looking good. So now what I'm gonna go ahead and do, I'm gonna go ahead and take the smoke detector off, make sure the tube is clear, there's no restrictions on it. I mean, by the looks of it, somebody took them off or something. So I'm gonna go ahead and verify that it actually has one. From the inside, I don't see nothing. All the holes are clear. Okay, so we're looking Gucci. Back. And the arrow was pointing that way, so we'll put it the same way. Let's go ahead and check the screen. I don't see anything restriction there, so, but there's a little screen inside here. It's looking pretty good. So let's go ahead and put it back. So I recently just got this Hillmore wire strippers. I really like them because they fit perfectly on my bag. They're small enough. Pulley doesn't feel worn out. I'm gonna go ahead and check this one too, just to keep it on the safe side. I almost completely forgot there was another one there. Alright guys, so I opened it up. You guys can, the red light is on. Try to reset it, it doesn't reset, automatically kicks me out. So with those smoke detectors, guys, for this specific location, all I know they do is monitor and send a signal to you know, the fire department and all that stuff. So it's not going to shut off anything at the store if it's triggered. It's just going to send the signal. That's why we got the signal on our end. So I'm going to go ahead and just recommend a new smoke detector and call it a day for that. Let me show you guys one more time. Try to reset it, doesn't reset. So yeah, easy peasy. So this one is fine. That one is the one that needs to be replaced. So let's get the meter. Alright guys, so a little change of plans. I ended up coming to this call. All I have to do is re-insulate this line set right here. Specific store, the maintenance guys, they have to come up here to the roof and basically do like a quick checkup on all the systems. So this, the maintenance guy found it. I mean, this is completely falling apart. So I'm gonna go ahead and just re-insulate it. Stop by the supply house, got some insulation. This is the type of day, guys, that you have to be grateful for, you know what I mean? I'm doing a bunch of easy calls, nothing hard at all. And at the end of the day, all I'm doing is insulating the line set. So sometimes I enjoy the little things, you know what I mean? And this is one of them. So let's go ahead and insulate this line set before it starts raining, because, oh, you know what? It's starting to sprinkle. You guys can tell right here. All right, let's get this done. Alright guys, so I'm gonna try and make this look a little bit better because I don't like how this is just hanging. I'll go ahead and make this look a lot better. It's just the simple things that differentiate from other people. Down. Alright guys, so what I'm gonna go ahead and do, because I really don't like whenever they have the whips just laying down like this to the floor. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do, just to keep it simple, just gonna pick them up, put them right here, and just tie them up with some zip ties. I'll go ahead and pull one for the discharge line. Alright guys, so we all good. I know this is not going to be for some on some of you guys' standards, but I mean, I'm literally just polishing the turd, you know what I mean? So I just decided to put some tape here because that's where a lot of the rub out happens from the PVC. And decided to put 3 zip ties here so I can go ahead and lift up the whip, because I really don't like whenever the whip is touching the floor a lot of times, because it gets corroded and then you start seeing water go inside. And that's pretty much it. I mean, put a couple zip ties, put 1 zip tie here for the discharge so it doesn't hit both of the metal pieces, and that's basically it. I mean, nothing too fancy, just enough to get this thing up and going. Like I said guys, you guys can enjoy the little things. I don't mind doing this at 4 o'clock when it's time to go home. It's just, you don't have to worry about a lot, you know. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave it how it is and call it a day. So like I said guys, hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Peace.